Dilip Oak, founder of Dilip Oaks Academy Pune, India's premier institute for GRE coaching and counseling for higher education in America. In the last video, we saw why America is the most preferred destination for master's education. In today's video, we will see why it is gaining popularity even for bachelor's education and the top 5 reasons to pursue a bachelor's in America. In the last few years, there is an increasing trend among Indian students to pursue bachelor's degree in America. With the increased standard of living, parents also have become economically stronger to afford quality education in America. Many parents are in business, professions, in top corporate positions, and now they are ready to spend on their children's bachelor's education in America. Moreover, even if parents are financially not very strong, students with high SAT or ACT or AP score and exceptionally good academic credentials can get tuition waiver and scholarships from American universities and can easily afford American education. Apart from these financial reasons, here are few other reasons why you should pursue bachelor's degree in America. First, students nowadays face very tough competition in India for admission to top ranked Indian institutes like IIT, BITS, or NIT. Around 12 lakh students appear for numerous entrance examinations taken by these institutes, but only around 11 to 12,000 secure admission to IIT, 19,000 to NIT, and about 400 to BITS. This equals to about 30,000 students, which is hardly 3% of the top applicants. The other intelligent and above average students who miss the prize by a very narrow margin have to take admission into local colleges, which do not have world class facilities. For such students, it is easier to get admission even to some of the best US universities with high educational standards. Second, if a student gets a high SAT score, more than 1400 out of 1600, and has a very good academic record in 10th, 11th, and if possible in 12th standard, he can get tuition scholarships from good American universities, which makes education in America affordable. Third, unlike India, US universities offer academic flexibility, where students can select from a broad range of programs. In India, students are required to select their desired branch of studies right in the beginning of their bachelor's degree, whether they want to take up mechanical or electrical engineering or computer science or any other branch. They cannot change their field of study till the end of the course. However, in US, for the first 1 or 2 years, you can declare as undecided major. You are allowed to take general course and study different subjects of your choice. In the second or third year, you can select your major, that is specialization. So this flexibility allows students to make an informed decision. Students can also take a dual degree, that is major and minor. For example, an engineering student can simultaneously study economics, that is major in engineering, minor in economics, and graduate with both the degrees, which is not allowed in India. Fourth, US universities offer excellent exposure to students with their updated curriculum. They focus on in-depth application and practical skills. The research labs are highly equipped and the curriculum is according to the latest education and industry trends. This enables the students to always stay updated and increases their chances of securing jobs. Fifth, campus jobs make them capable of taking care of their own expenses, living expenses, and instill a sense of responsibility in them. So this makes them responsible citizens. So considering all these five benefits, we strongly recommend that students should take this opportunity and earn an undergraduate degree in the US that are internationally recognized. To help you get started with your preparation, we offer SAT coaching for 10 weekends and admission counseling at the academy, wherein we provide guidance on selection of universities, application essays, which is very important, and visa counseling. For detailed information, you can visit our website www.dileepoakacademy.com. So this was all about benefits of pursuing bachelor's in America. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we will talk about what you need to do to get admission into top American universities. For regular updates, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video, and see you next time.